Okay, so having previously configured our Viron Connect 10 Pool and Spa controller to the local mode, as explained in the previous video, we are now going to program our Viron Connect 10 Pool and Spa controller to communicate with our heat pump. So first of all, we're going to select menu. We will then go to our setup, back to our installation setup. As always, passcode is 1234. Done. Now it's our setup summary page. We're going to change, and then because we've previously set up our touchscreen and we're simply adding our heat pump to this system, we can then skip directly to a channel. How many channels in the system? 8. We're happy with that. Now through our channels, we've already configured our pool equipment. Filter pump on channel 1, variable speed yes, timers in AI mode. Our channel 2 is currently configured with our cleaning. Now what we're going to do is put our controlled heating power onto channel 3. Next, channel 4 is unused, 5 is unused, 6, 7 and 8 is unused. Minimum heat on speed for this today, we're going to leave it high. We have a simple single speed pump on this today, and now we're done. So now what we have here is our controlled heater power, which is turning on our channel 3, and on our channel 3 we have the dedicated water pump, which is going to feed water to the heat pump and activate the water pressure switch. The heat pump is hardwired into an isolation switch, so it has constant power. So from here we need to check our heating settings. We are currently using our pool and spa settings. As you can see, we have our isolation valves between pool and spa. Now what we have to do is set our heat pump temperatures to operate in both modes. So firstly we set our desired temperature for the pool, and then over to our spa. As you can see in here, when we click onto spa, it will automatically activate our filtration, which we will turn off in a second. Now we've set up our temperature for our spa, and as you can see, if we hit the heater on button, it will then start our heater. As you can see, if we go to select another setting or exit out of this window, it will ask, do we want to have our water pump run for 5 minutes to cool the heater? Because this is a heat pump, we will say no. If it was a gas heater, we would say yes. Now our heater's off, our temperatures are set, and we are able to use our system. Back to auto. Now from here we can choose to add our heat pump to our timers. If we scroll through, we are now going to add our heater on to our filtration timer and run that at the same time as our filtration, so it heats up at the same time as our filtration is running. So from here we will now go home, all off, all auto. We'll hear our relays engage, and if we just go and check our system and our heating icon, we will now see that our heat is on. Back to our home screen, and our heater is now currently on and displaying the water temperature.